which already more than offset the volume that's being done now at Twin River. So this is a change, and I want to let everybody know. If you feel sick, you should call your doctor. Your doctor can get you to a test. If for whatever reason you can't or don't want to call your doctor, CVS.com, they'll ask you to put in your zip code, and you can go to the closest CVS near you and be tested. It's a drive-through program. I do want to say this, and this is important. The tests that we were doing at Twin River were the rapid tests. You would be swabbed and you'd know your results in 10 or 15 minutes. They were excellent, but as we know, a little bit less accurate than the tests that take a few days for you to get your results. If you go to a CVS drive-through, it will be the kind of a test which takes a few days for you to get your results. So I just want you to be aware of that and not surprised. Having said that, if you show up at a CVS drive-through because you feel sick, you need to be staying at home anyway until you get your results. Which is another point I want to make. I want to say this again. If you are sick, you must stay home. If you feel sick, you have a fever, you have a headache, you have any kind of symptoms at all, you call your doctor, you go to a CVS site, you get swabbed, you have to stay home until you get your test results. As the doctor has explained, and as I have learned, people who are sick are fantastic spreaders of this disease. So it's vital that you stay home. Now, many of you are saying, yes, but Governor, if I stay home, I don't get paid. So I'm going to get